So here we're talking about two angles that are on the in between the parallel lines, and so these are called co-interior angles. And if we highlight here, it'll help you see that these two angles form a C pattern within the parallel lines. And so that means that these two angles are co-interior and that they have a sum of 180 degrees. All right, so when we have our lines highlighted and our angles indicated, then you can see that this is a C pattern. And recall that a C pattern with parallel lines and a transversal tells us that these two angles are co-interior. And now the two angles have to be between the two parallel lines for them to be co-interior. And so here's one parallel line, the other two parallel lines, and so these two angles are co-interior because they are together on the inside of the parallel lines. So this tells us, now co-interior angle is a little bit different than alternate and corresponding. These two angles are supplementary, which means that they have a sum of 180 degrees. So that means that if we add these two angles together, the sum of the two is going to be 180 degrees. So we can write this as an equation, and it's going to be f minus 32 plus 78 is equal to 180. So we're going to simplify, and minus 32 plus 78 equals positive 46. So this simplifies to be f plus 46 equals 180. So now what we can do is subtract 46 from both sides, and we get f is equal to 134 degrees. So now what we're going to do is sub in our answer, which is 134 degrees for f, and what we find is that f minus 32, when we sub in for f equals 134, we get 134 minus 32, which works out to be 102 degrees. So now if f minus 32 is 102 degrees, we can check our answer because 102 plus 78 is equal to 180 degrees, and so these two angles, since they add up to 180 degrees, are supplementary.